Oracle 12c Rack Setup course. My main goal is to let you get an Oracle 12c Rack environment up and running on your laptop with minimal possible time and less hardware resources. However, if you follow that course, you will be install Oracle 12c Rack database going through main installation steps using OpenFiler shared storage. Please note that one of the biggest problems preventing people from setting up test rack environments is the requirement for shared storage. As we know, in the production environment, shared storage is often provided by SAN or high-end NAS device like Dell EMC or NetApp and from other storage vendors. But both of these options are very expensive when all you want to do is get some experience installing and using rack. So alternative is to using OpenFiler as a shared storage, which is same setup of using expensive SAN. Actually, OpenFiler is an operating system that provides file-based network attached storage and block-based storage area network. In this course, we will cover all tasks with hands-on step by step. So there is almost 21 steps for rack setup on your laptop. We will cover requirements to install Oracle 12c Rack, how to download Oracle VirtualBox, Oracle Linux and database software, how to create new virtual machines, how to install Oracle Enterprise Linux 7 on VirtualBox, how to perform OpenFiler installation, how to configure OpenFiler and discover the LUN on rack nodes, how to configure DNS, how to create Oracle software owner group and user, how to prepare ASM disk for rack shared storage, and discover the partition on node 2, how to create ASM disk using ASM lib, how to set up SSH for Oracle users automatic connection, how to install RPMs, which is prerequisite for Oracle Rack requirement, how to set up kernel parameters, how to copy and unzip software, how to install Oracle Grid infrastructure, and also we went through known issues during cluster verification utility, how to install Oracle Database Software 12c Release 2 on rack environment, how to start rack database instances, how to order to start services step by step hands-on, and in the final step will be how to shut down database server on rack environment. Grab some coffee, let ready, fun to be started.